And he has Asmaul Husna. Call him by beautiful names. Allah says, call me Allah, I love it. You call me Ar-Rahman, I love it. You call me Ar-Rahim, I love it. Call me by any name. But remember, Asmaul Husna, they should be very beautiful names. Your papa would love when you say, my lovely papa. Your mama would love when you say, my lovely mama. But you cannot say your papa, Papa, you're Tommy. Shut up, man. What are you? Is that love or abuse? You're calling me like you're calling the dog that we train at home? No, don't call. So if your father cannot accept any abusive name, how can you expect Allah to accept any distorted name for him? Allah says, call him by the most beautiful names that befit his majesty and glory. Nothing except that. And from where will you get those beautiful names? So Allah didn't make you do the homework. Allah said, see, I am giving you those beautiful names. You don't need to worry about it. Just call me by the names by which I refer to myself.